Guys, what's up? Check this out. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Let me tell you a little bit about it first before we start and go into details. It's a 2019 Ford F-250 XLT. You heard it right, XLT, loaded XLT, I should say, before we get into all depth. 6.7 liter turbo diesel FX4. Now, first thing we can see off the rip, it's got a nice size leveling kit on it. Okay, maybe like a 2.5, I want to say roughly. Mounted on a set of 24 by 12 TIS off-road wheels. These are black with machined edges and the TIS off-road brand lettering around the wheel. Mounted around these wheels are a brand new set of 35 1250 24-inch mud terrain tires. Gorgeous setup. On the sides right here, they're lined up pretty much right damn well with the midway of the mirror. Beautiful setup, not too extreme, and just enough look to look tough. Cab lights, let's see, aftermarket rear bumper. This is a rough country aftermarket rear bumper with the LED lights into the rear, incorporated into the rear. You got your nice step little pad right here. Sorry, I just marked up the damn bumper. Full exhaust, you're about to hear that. Actually, you probably already heard that in the beginning of the video, and we'll do some short clips after the video, okay? Full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system. Underside is stellar, absolutely beautifully clean. A little bit of dust, but who cares? No rust, nothing compromising. Full exhaust all the way back with a Sinister diesel 5-inch tip on the rear. Sliding glass rear window. Huge panoramic roof with the sunshade. Fifth wheel right here. Or gooseneck, I'm sorry. You can flip the ball around, put it down, you're good to go. With the factory bed liner, huge LED lights and your spots to put your bars there to secure stuff. Fold out, I call it the Captain Morgan stance tailgate. Backup camera, aerial camera. It's loaded. When I say it's loaded, and here's the coolest part about it, besides the leveling kit and everything else. You ready? Check this out. Absolutely beautiful, fairly new, I want to say, maybe a year or 2 or 3 old. Katzkin's custom leather interior with red stitching, center console, rear seats, headrests and all. Okay, absolutely beautiful work done. Awesome stitching, red inlay, black leather outlay of leather. 96,000. What is that? I can't see it. 96,748 maintained miles. Backup camera. I mean, she's loaded, and that's the crazy part. Exhaust brake, factory exhaust brake. Let's see, pedal adjustment, mirrors on off, the lights in the mirrors, incorporated into the mirrors, adjustable folding out mirrors, extendable mirrors, folding in mirrors right here. I mean, I've seen Lariats with less stuff and options than this truck. It's got a remote start. It has, here's the fob. I mean, it's not even like an XLT. Remote start. I mean, she's loaded. It really is. Rear sliding rear window. I'm probably there's probably a bunch of stuff that I'm not listing right here. You got the safe box right here. Check this out. Store your guns, whatever you want to carry in here. It's up to your business. That's your choice. Boom, put that in there. Your sync stereo control wires there. I mean, it's like I said, I can keep on going on. Power seats, it's loaded. Let's check the power plant out, and I'll show you guys more stuff, more goodies, okay? There's the VIN number right here. You can check it out. No rust. I mean, she's clean. Look at the wheels, how gorgeous they are. I can keep on talking about this truck. Let's probably go in the rear real quick so you can see it. Poker in the front, stabber in the rear. There you go. Boom, look at that. Awesome cargo space right here. And the seats are, like I said, the stitching they did is phenomenal. It's probably very expensive. Neighborhood of probably $300 to $3,500 installed. Katzkin's leather. Power plant. There's the underside of the truck on that side. Front camera too. Aerial camera. Let's get the aerial camera thing. Here we go. All the fluids are good and clean. Everything looks up to par. And yeah, she's got some modifications done. Read the description. You'll see more stuff that's done to this truck. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Call 540-898-3025. Share this video. That'd be very helpful. Subscribe. And you can visit the website, www.superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys are doing great. Take care and stay tuned to the end of this video. Ready? Boom.